Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
This guy right here keep trying to run into the dump truck. He don't want to let anybody else get down. His tag number is there. It is here. He's going up this road right here and he's not letting anybody get down. He got all this traffic. Here's his tag number. There's there. You see him tooting. Again, look everyone. He's trying to run into the car. Look, he's trying to run into the car. This is gonna be good for YouTube. This is for YouTube. He said he doesn't let me go back. He got traffic. He's backed the whole street up. There's traffic back here. Now he's going back. He finally goes back. Here's the dump truck. The dump truck is going back. Now he like to ran over two people. Look, now he's going to run over these people. Got it. Are y'all okay? Get the rest of this right here. He might try to even run over me. If he try to run me over, he's gonna have to run both of the poles over. Now he's gone. And he's talking shit. Look. He's out of here, guys. And now the traffic can flow.
Popo, he's gonna beat somebody, and he's gonna do a three-point turn in the middle of the road. Now you're blocking people from taking a left turn. Smooth move, Sheriff. Video.
Intended to conceal another crime by falsifying the records with this payment. And you're quite right to focus on the statute of limitations, because if it's a misdemeanor, the statute of limitations in New York is 2 years.
Tú te estás preguntando qué hacia adelante, like eso tiene mucho que ver, ya yo sabemos. Exacto. Ya sí chocaron, chicos.
Don't belong.
there. And I think he hit us.
Yeah.
Want to call the police?
I can't. Shit.
No. Yeah. I'm at the shell.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.